Red Roof Realty.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
I'd like to rent an apartment in the area.
Well, let's see. Do you have a price in mind? Sit. I'll get us tea.
I'd love tea. But could we take a look at the place first? I'm a little short on time.
I see. I'm sorry, though. My assistant had to go to the hospital. Since I sent him there, I'm a bit busy. There's actually an apartment over there. I just came back from it. The second floor, a little small. The paint on the walls is brand new, though. What did you say your name was?
Kaan. And I'm guessing you're Carnation?
That's what they call me. They thought it was fitting because I dress so well. I care about what I wear, so I adopted it. And I've worn a carnation ever since. Well, if you're in a hurry, Mr. Khan, let's take a look at the house. Let's go. Let's go. Here, man, here. Look, the owner renewed the plumbing. These pipes are brand new. And here. This place gets so much sun in the morning, it literally turns into an oven. So nice and bright.
Yeah, it's good. Hey, Carnation.
Yeah, man.
Don't you recognize me?
What do you mean, man?
Isn't it obvious?
Well, we didn't serve together. Have we met before?
No, we haven't. But you know me.
Weird. I'm not sure how.
I'm Khan Karabulat. I'm here to get my stuff.
What stuff, bro?
Kneel, you little...
Sir?
Did you call me sir? You wasted a man you didn't even know. And now you're asking for mercy from him? Where is my car?
What car?
What the hell is my car?
Bro, they told me to go get the car and park it down the alley, bro.
Who?
Bro, someone did me a favor once. I owed him. I had to do it since he asked me.
Why didn't he do it himself?
He knew we'd be followed, man. He said he couldn't show his face.
Stop lying to me, I'll break your damn neck. Someone could have followed you while you were driving.
There was no way, man. I cruised for 3 hours. I'd have cruised around for 5 more if I had any doubts. Then I parked the car in a closed garage, waited a week. Then I went back and left it where they told me to, bro.
Who is this man?
Bro, I never saw his face. I never saw him at all. We talked over the phone a few times. He sends me DVDs like letters in the mail.
What DVDs?
Well, if you do him a favor, he'll do you a favor.
So the flower was this man, huh? Carnation?
Man, he also told me you'd come here. You're my clue. He said he'll start looking for me with you.
So this guy knew everything, huh?
They're a network.
A network? He is a network? What's the name of this network?
The Circle.
The Circle. Come on, get up. Where the hell is my car? God damn it! So the benevolent circle knows how to get on the gravy train. Oh, my girl.
Where the hell have you been?
Trying to find my car.
Looking for this?
Not what I expected to find.
Now that you're done, you and I should get back to work. Come on, move. Are you done now?